Hello everyone, my channel just got monetized. This is my another channel, Sandesh YT. In this video, I am going to show you how to fix this Google AdSense error which comes in the step 2 while monetizing your account. It took me 2 months to solve this error, and I guarantee you that if you watch this video till the end, your channel will be monetized. In this 2 months, I tried every YouTube videos. I went through every blogs and websites to how to fix this error. Here in the YouTube studio, you can get two options to solve this error, which says fix in AdSense or you have to change the association. Whereas in AdSense, you can see it says your account wasn't approved. Also it says your account is unable to meet the AdSense program policies. At the first, I didn't did anything and I confirmed that and I just resubmitted it, but it took me 2 weeks to get the result and the error was same. So be sure that before clicking, I confirm that I have met the AdSense program policies. If you did anything, then your error isn't gonna be solved. So watch this video till the end. This is a complete video. After this video, you didn't have to watch anything. I guarantee you that your channel will get monetized. Now let's start from the beginning. YouTube monetization takes 3 steps. In first steps, you have to get 1000 subscribers and 4 hours of watch time, which I have completed. But I got error in the step 2, which says you have to create an AdSense account and get approval, and it should be verified through the AdSense. And in the third step, YouTube verifies your account if there is any harmful videos or not. So let's start from the beginning. What you have to do to solve this error. First of all, go through the fix in AdSense options in the step 2 and then just choose your account. This is my AdSense account which I have linked through the YouTube, but I just get this error meet AdSense program policies. First of all, don't do anything and just tick the option and resubmit button. After that, it says we are reviewing your info. Now go to the account options which is in the left and go to the setting and account information. After that, just go to close account which is in the last. After that, click in AdSense and AdSense for YouTube. Just tick those options and just close your account. Here you can see it says you have successfully closed your account. Now the main steps comes here. You have to create a new Google account. It should be new. With that Google account, there shouldn't be any YouTube channel or anything. You shouldn't have linked any other website with that Google account. Here I have just created a new Google account, and now I am going to link my YouTube channel with this AdSense account which I have just created. Now get back to the YouTube studio and click on change association. Now just click in proceed to verify it's you. Now here comes the Google verification process. Just go through it. After verifying your account, it says do you have an existing AdSense account? Just click on I don't have any existing account. Now click on continue. Now select the Google account which you have just created. Ensure that you haven't linked that Google account to any websites, any YouTube channel, anywhere. Otherwise, you're gonna face the same error. Now, after clicking, you just created Google account for AdSense. You will see this form where you can see your website link and you can see get more out of AdSense. You can click anything. It's just for the notification or mails for your suggestions from the AdSense. Now select your country or territory. I'm from Nepal, so I'm selecting Nepal. After that, just accept the terms and conditions given by the AdSense and create your account. After creating your account, you can see these forms pop-ups where you can see the customer information. Just fill all the customer information, where you can see account type. It's my individual account, so I'm selecting the individual option. If you are creating your business account, then you have to select the business account. For me, it's my individual account. Now just give your name, your original name, full name, your address where you are living, and just give your town or city, and also give your postcode. Just fill everything. You can see there is the phone number. It's optional. You can give also, or you can leave it like this. But you can see the phone number is required, so I'm giving the phone number again. Now you have to verify your phone number. You will be sent a code. You will receive a code which now you have to verify your phone number. Here you receive the code and you have to put that received code in this form. After doing this, you will be redirected to YouTube Studio, where you can see the error gonna be changed to the in progress option. Now you have to wait 2 or 3 weeks. My channel was monetized in 2 weeks. After doing this, I didn't did anything. I just waited. You also don't do anything. I'm sure that your channel will be monetized. And if you have any other questions, just you can comment down below, or you can message me on Instagram also. Thank you.